A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision that could reshape the landscape of the cannabis industry, President Donald Trump has signed an executive order reclassifying marijuana, moving it from a Schedule I drug to a Schedule III classification. This pivotal change is expected to ease restrictions surrounding the purchase and sale of marijuana, while also paving the way for increased research into its medical applications. Previously, marijuana was categorized alongside some of the most dangerous drugs, including heroin and LSD, which the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, claims have no accepted medical use and a high potential for abuse. However, under the new designation, marijuana is now grouped with substances like Tylenol and anabolic steroids, which are recognized as having a moderate to low potential for dependence. This reclassification is seen as a victory for the cannabis industry, which has long argued for a more lenient regulatory framework that acknowledges the potential benefits of marijuana. Advocates believe that this change will not only facilitate easier access for consumers, but also encourage scientific research into marijuana's therapeutic properties. The implications of this decision are profound, as it marks a significant shift in federal policy towards cannabis, which has been a contentious issue in American politics for decades. With this new classification, businesses involved in the cannabis sector may find it easier to secure financing and insurance, while researchers will have greater opportunities to explore the medical benefits of marijuana without the stringent regulations that previously hindered their work. As the cannabis industry continues to grow, this executive order could lead to increased innovation and investment, positioning marijuana as a legitimate player in the healthcare market. The reclassification also raises questions about the future of marijuana legalization at the state level, as more states may feel encouraged to adopt more progressive cannabis policies. However, the change does not come without its critics. Some opponents argue that reclassifying marijuana could lead to increased use among young people and potential public health issues. They caution that while the potential medical benefits of marijuana are promising, there must be careful consideration of the risks involved. As the nation watches how this decision unfolds, one thing is clear. The reclassification of marijuana is a significant step towards a more open and informed discussion about cannabis in America. The cannabis industry is poised for a transformation, and as regulations ease, the future of marijuana looks brighter than ever. This executive order not only signifies a shift in policy, but also reflects changing attitudes towards cannabis use across the country. As research into the medical benefits of marijuana expands, it may soon take its place alongside other accepted forms of treatment, potentially revolutionizing how we approach health and wellness in the 21st century. Stakeholders in the cannabis industry are optimistic about the opportunities that lie ahead, and many are preparing for a surge in demand as consumers gain access to a wider range of products. The reclassification could lead to an influx of new businesses entering the market, further stimulating economic growth and job creation. In conclusion, President Trump's executive order to reclassify marijuana marks a significant turning point in the ongoing battle for cannabis reform. As the nation navigates this new terrain, the potential benefits and challenges of this decision will undoubtedly shape the future of the cannabis industry and influence public perception of marijuana for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.